Hey guys, I'm here at the Attic Yard and Hobby Studio in Marikina City to check out the layout for this month. Let's go! Alright, so I'll be using my ME chassis for this layout. For the brakes, 2mm white front and then 2mm blue for the rear. But I covered it with Tamiya tape. And then battery 1.5 volts. Motor, this is a Mac Dash motor with the 4:1 gear ratio. Alright, let's go! First that. Second lap. Oh! Alright, so this time I adjusted the Tamiya tape. Let's see how it goes. First lap. Second lap. Last lap.
Now this kit is available at the Attic Yard and Hobby Studio in Marikina City. Visit us and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and multi-tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.